Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 3. Simplify in brackets 3 over 4 of 4 over 9 divided by 9 whole number 1 over 2 close bracket, then divided by 1 whole number 5 over 19. Options given are A 1 over 25, B 1 over 4, C 1 over 5, D 1 over 36. So we will simplify what this given. Now in this simplification, let's deal with the bracket first of all. We have 3 over 4 of this of here simply means what? Multiplication. So it simply means what? 3 all over 4 multiplied by 4 over 9, then divided by, now this is a mixed number, so we have to convert it to what? To an improper fraction. That will be 9 multiplied by 2, which is 18 plus 1, that is 19. So we have divided by 19 all over 2 close brackets, then divided by, this is also a mixed number, we convert it to a what? Improper fraction. 1 times 19 will give us 19, plus 5 will give us 24. So 24 over 19. So we have 3 over 4 multiplied by 4 over 9. Now this sign, we can't carry out arithmetic with this sign. So you have to change this division sign to what? Multiplication. And by doing that, this here has to change. That is, the denominator will become numerator. So multiply by, it now become 2 over 19. 2 over 19 divided by what? 24 over 19. So we have now 3 all over 4 multiplied by 4 over 9. Now I'm opening the brackets, multiply by 2 over 19. Now this sign has to change to multiplication sign, multiply by what? 19 over 24. Now you can see that what? This 4 can cancel this 4. This 19 can cancel this 19. Then this 3 here 1, and 3 in 9 will give us 3. So we have what? This is equals to 2 all over 3 multiplied by 24, and that is equals to 2 all over 72. Now we can still break this into the lowest term, and that will be equals to 1 over 36. So this is the answer to this question, 1 over 36, and that is option D. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.